Okay, hi there. How are we? So, body transformation number 9. It's taken me a little while to get to number 9, but here we are. And here's the thing. I'm getting crazy here because I coach all these people and I feel like that all I'm trying to do is convince them that they deserve to be healthy, they deserve to be lean, clear head, lots of energy, a zest for life, not getting up feeling like they have to be pulled out of bed with a tow truck. These are simple. This is actually standard operating procedures for the human body, and it's not something that we really should be striving for or that I need to convince you that you really deserve that. So I want you to kind of start thinking about a couple of things. So here's my top tips that you really need to do every day. Every day, okay? I want you to drink a ton of water every day. That should just be normal. Drink a lot of water. If our body's dehydrated, we're not going to think clearly. We're not going to act right. We're not going to do a lot of stuff right. So you have to be fully hydrated. My rule of thumb, 8 glasses of water a day and add in 2 more for anything caffeinated or alcoholic because those things dehydrate you and you need more water. Okay, that was my number 1. Now, number 2, you got to get good sleep. And sometimes that might mean that you got to go to bed early. Yeah, you know what? I admit it. I'm going to admit it right here. I love going to bed early. I do. I really do. Because I get up very early too, but I like it because that's that quiet time in the morning when I feel like, oh, I can be serene. And I do set an alarm, but I usually get up before my alarm. Yeah, because I'm fully rested, and that's what you need to be. When we have a lot of stuff going on, we've got to be able to just kind of wake up going, time to get up. Not like, oh my God, I need to push the snooze button. Do you know that every time you push the snooze button, you actually hamper your mental clarity for up to 4 hours? Doesn't sound very good, does it? So you definitely need to feel like you're sleeping right. And so if that means making your room darker, a little colder, getting a nice fluffy blanket, whatever that means, you got to get good sleep. And if you got to go to bed early, do it, okay? So that was number 2. Number 3, we got to make sure that we're eating enough fruits and vegetables throughout the day. I mean, listen, we've heard it since we were kids, and some people take it for granted, and some people do it, and some people don't, and whatever. But that's really where you get your multivitamin from. So all those vitamins that you want, and maybe you're paying 50, 60, $100 for a multivitamin, why don't you just get that from your foods? Okay, the darker, the richer the color of your food, fruits and vegetables. Oh, guess what? More nutrition you got. Cool. So add those in everything that you're eating. There's all these weird rules that say, oh, you can't have like an animal protein with a fruit. You know what? If you digest it well, eat it. We all digest foods differently. So we're not the same. And some of us can actually get away with it, and it's okay. Okay, just add them into your day. That was number 3. Number 4, you've got to do something good for yourself every single day. So mine is always drinking a cup of tea. I don't have my tea now because I just finished drinking it. But I love having my cup of tea because I don't know, the minute I have that tea mug in my hand, it's like, I just feel like, okay, I've taken a time out. That's really good. I like doing that. So that's my thing. Some people like to read. Some people like to do beading, whatever it is, but you've got to take a few moments, and it doesn't mean that you got to spend hours doing it. Just take a few moments to do something for yourself that you want, because guess what? When you are feeling good, oh my God, it's so much easier to inspire and motivate all the people around you. So think about it. That's kind of really important, okay? And then number 5. We already did number 5. 4. Okay, we're on 5. You've got to move your body. So I'm a little bit disheveled because I just came from the gym. I went in there, I put on my headsets, I didn't talk to anybody, and I just got it done. Just get it done. The other day, couldn't go to the gym, did the stairs. When I can't go to the gym, I just do the stairs. It makes life easy. That's 10 minutes. I get that in. I suck wind. It's all right. I work through it. I make it happen, and you got to make it happen too, okay? So you've got to move your body. Now, sometimes we don't have an ample amount of time, but that doesn't mean we can't do it. That means you just start off your morning, do squats and lunges, and then later on take a quick walk, and then maybe later on go some stairs, and just kind of throw these bits of activity here and there, okay? So there you have it. Those are all your 5 tips. Make them happen. Can you do that for me? And make it like a normal part of your day. I don't want to have to convince you guys that you deserve this, that you should be lean and energized and having a great time in life and loving life, because that just should be part of what we do. Here we go, we're just about to hit another year, right? Every 12 months we have another year. So think about that and think about, okay, for the next year, where do I want to be? Think about today. Let's just say today was the beginning of a new year. Let's just say, pretend, okay? And so where do you want to be in 12 months? You want to be able to do what you want to do. You can't be cranky and stressed out and like, no way. Okay, we have the power of making ourselves the very best person we can. So today, I just gave you 5 things. Make them happen. Got it? Good. I hope you guys have a great day and make it happen. Bye for now.